Hi, my name is Pranjul Dubey and I welcome you at LeapScholar. Today I am going to give you 5 major tricks to master IELTS. Step number 1. Keep your lexical resources super handy. They are not just the words which are directly popping up from the Oxford Dictionary. They should be the uncommon words, the words which we are not using in general language. So that is what is called as keeping the lexical resources handy. And mind it, they should be task-based. Like for example, if I'm talking about environment, then you should be knowing the words called as biome, biodiversity, ecology, something like that, right? Point number 2. Make sure that you listen to good podcasts. One of my personal favorite is 6 Minutes English by BBC. Now, when you keep on listening to these podcasts, they are not just going to enhance the content over there at your schema, which you can produce when it is required, but also helps you to make sure that you understand the intonations, the flow of the language. Very important when it comes to listening. Number 3, read. Read a lot of stuff. And I'm not forcing you to read something which is not of your interest. I'm not forcing you to read essentialism over here. Right. But something which interests you. For example, now I cannot go to sleep if I do not complete at least one article of a word right. So yes, reading is important. And do not just read to finish the paragraph or just because I told you to do so. Read to find the gist, find an interest and read that out. That is an important portion when it comes to reading. Number 4. Now you should have an understanding of the variety of sentences. Simple sentences, complex sentences, compound complex sentences, right? So not just in your speaking, they come super handy when you are writing your task tools, right? So be very sure where to use the connectors and the discourse markers. Last but not the least, number 5. Now, when you are sitting over there and speaking, please do not consider it as an interview, because even a no is an answer, but you should know how to produce it, right? At the end of the day, this is just a speaking test. They are just willing to know that how proficient are you in this language, okay? They are just willing to know whether you can order yourself a pizza or can avail all those facilities which the government and the universities are providing you. So, this is me, Pranjul Dubey, signing off.